Okay, here's your help video for the ball toss video analysis. And what we are going to do is we're going to open up Logger Pro. So you need to find your Logger Pro to open up. And we're then going to go into Insert. And this time we're going to do a video capture. Okay, the video capture is actually going to start up so that you can see me now. You can actually use the camera's video, or actually the computer's video camera, to record our video. Okay, so I'm going to just set it up. Now, a couple of things that you need to know when you're setting this up is we want to make sure that the camera is perpendicular, okay, to the direction that we're going to have motion. So my motion is going to go this way, okay, which means that I need to have the camera set up perpendicular to that. Now, I'm going to try to do this so that I'm going to get the ball to move from left to right. Okay, so we're saying that going that direction is going to be positive. And then I need to get the ball here. And I'm going to check to see where I need to stand in order to still be on the screen. Okay, so I'm here on the screen yet, and then I'll be able to give it a toss, and we'll get the ball in the air and we'll move it across. I can probably move back a little bit just so that I can get a little more room on the toss. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on the Start Capture. And give it a toss. And you only get 10 seconds to kind of get that, so you need to make sure that you're working quickly enough to get your capture. Okay, so I've got my video made. Okay, I'm going to close this little window, and right now you should see that I've got this window, which is my video. From this point on, this is going to be very similar to what we've done with our first video analysis. Pause, okay, where I want the video to be. And again, we're going to do our frame advancement, so I'm going to back this up to the point to where the ball is going to start. Okay, and that's going to be where I'm going to put my first points. Okay, and so you can see that I'm just going to plot my points. Now, the background color that you use when you're recording will help, because as you can see, the ball itself starts to blend in with the background, and we also lose some of the resolution as the ball is traveling, so we're trying to keep an eye on where the ball is, and I'm usually looking for the center, or the same point that I started plotting the ball on. And so I'm getting my points plotted. There's all my points plotted. From here I'm going to set my coordinate system. So I'm going to set my axes, and I'm also going to measure something, and I'm going to say that from my belt to the top of my head is going to be about 0.7 meters. Okay, so I've scaled everything at that point in time. Now I can go ahead and do that auto arrange to kind of line everything up. Now there's a couple of things that I would like to show you here too with this video. Under options and movie options, we want to do this where we're going to put our first VA point defines the movie at time 0. And the reason why we want to do this is it's going to scale everything so that that first point now represents where time was equal to 0. We can look at this in terms of now these different graphs, and we can kind of do some curve fitting. Okay, so I'm going to highlight this and I'm going to show the difference of how we can do curve fitting now. And so I'm going to curve fit this with a quadratic because it looks like a parabola. So we'll try that fit. All right, and so now we can say okay to that, and that'll give us some better analysis for that position versus time graph. All right, good luck, and remember that everybody needs to kind of get their own video of a ball toss and do your analysis of it.